Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody emailed me a pretty good question today. They wanted to save as default as other than a CDR file or a Corel file. And I checked with my mentor and we both agree there's no way. But in the process of trying this, I learned something for myself that I can use. So I have CorelDraw 2026 and my laser is hooked up to a laptop out in the shop and still has Corel 17. And I always help people and send them files, and I always save it as older versions so they'll be able to open it. And it's kind of ironic. If you have the latest Corel, you can open anything, but if you have 24, you can't open 26. So I'm really glad this happened, because now I can go to Tools, Options in CorelDraw and go down to Save. And right here, I can change it to 17 and say, okay. So if I wanted to save this file now, and of course, I would bet you'd want to go to Tools and Save as default and have everything checked. So let's say we're going to save this file. So I would go Save As. And look at that. It's already going to save it as 17. I'm not going to save it because I don't need it. When I save it, I actually call the file whatever the name is, and then I put a big X7. So I remind myself, because I draw everything in the house. And when I go out to the shop, even though it's not that far, it irritates me when I get up there and I forgot to save it as X7. So that's a pretty neat feature that I didn't even know existed. And on this same thing, there's some other things you can save, like back up every 5 minutes, back up the file original before saving, a bunch of information you can read. Anyway, I know I don't help that gentleman too much, but it's going to help me and maybe somebody in the future. And thank you for watching.